Is this the ultimate sandwich? A Dubai taste test you can't miss. What makes a sandwich unforgettable? Is it the crunch of fresh-baked bread or the explosion of unexpected spices? In the vibrant city of Dubai, sandwiches are being elevated to art. Today, we dive into the sandwich scene to find out if this asterisk is the best one yet. Dubai is a melting pot of cultures, and its food reflects it beautifully. Each sandwich we try is packed with international inspiration, from tender Middle Eastern shawarma to cheesy European spins. But there's one special sandwich we've heard whispers about, and we're here to investigate its hype. At the heart of these drool-worthy creations are the passionate chefs who craft them. Each ingredient is carefully chosen, sauces are house-made, and every layer adds a new surprise. We'll even get a behind-the-scenes look into what makes their most talked-about sandwich so irresistible. After savoring bites of this flavor-loaded masterpiece, it's time to dish out our final thoughts. Does it deserve the crown as Dubai's ultimate sandwich? Stay tuned as we reveal whether this game-changing creation lives up to the buzz. Hungry yet? Whether you're planning a trip to Dubai or hunting for your next food adventure, this is one experience you can't miss. Hit that like button, share this with your fellow foodies, and subscribe for more tasty discoveries. The ultimate sandwich awaits. Are you ready for the challenge?